Welcome back to Rome Tech. If you enjoy our content, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us out. Today, we're exploring Phantom, a powerful wallet and browser extension built specifically for the Solana ecosystem. Accessible through their website at phantom.app, Phantom provides a streamlined and user-friendly experience for managing your Solana-based assets and interacting with decentralized applications, DApps. With Phantom, you can easily send and receive SOL, as well as SPL tokens, which are tokens built on the Solana blockchain. The intuitive interface makes managing your cryptocurrency portfolio a breeze. Beyond basic transactions, Phantom also allows you to stake your SOL directly from the wallet, enabling you to participate in securing the network and earning rewards. One of the key features of Phantom is its deep integration with the Solana ecosystem. This allows you to seamlessly connect to a wide range of DApps, opening up a world of possibilities from decentralized finance, DeFi platforms to NFT marketplaces and beyond. The secure wallet acts as your gateway to the vibrant Solana network. Phantom is available as a browser extension for popular browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Brave, and Edge, offering convenient access to your Solana assets while browsing the web. This integration makes interacting with DApps a smooth and efficient process. You can easily manage your tokens, interact with smart contracts, and explore the ever-expanding Solana ecosystem without leaving your browser. Security is paramount in the cryptocurrency space, and Phantom takes it seriously. They prioritize user security by implementing robust measures to protect your funds. The wallet utilizes advanced encryption techniques and adheres to best practices to safeguard your assets from potential threats. Furthermore, Phantom provides users with full control over their private keys, ensuring that they are the sole custodians of their cryptocurrency. For a comprehensive Solana wallet experience, definitely check out Phantom at phantom.app. It provides a user-friendly interface, seamless DApp integration, and robust security features, making it an excellent choice for managing your Solana-based assets and exploring the exciting world of Solana. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more content exploring the crypto space here at Rome Tech. Thanks for watching.